Throw an egg into the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. If your toilet gets clogged, forget chemical solutions. Here's a better method. Start with one large egg and separate the white. The egg white is key because it acts as a natural lubricant, making it easier to clear blockages in your pipes. Add 2 tablespoons of liquid soap to the egg white. The soap improves the slippery effect and aids in cleaning. Mix thoroughly, then pour the mixture into the clogged toilet. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda helps dissolve grease and other debris causing the blockage. Follow this with about a cup of vinegar. You'll notice a foaming reaction. This chemical process breaks down the buildup. Finally, grab some plastic wrap. Seal it tightly around the toilet bowl, ensuring no air gets underneath. Press down on the plastic wrap a few times to create pressure. This pressure helps push the blockage through the pipes. This simple trick can solve your problem without needing to plunge the toilet. You'll be amazed at how effective this solution is. Your toilet will be unclogged, and unpleasant surprises in the bathroom will be a thing of the past.